Welcome to our Action Camera Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the GoPro HERO13 Black Accessory Bundle and the DJI Osmo Action 4. The GoPro HERO13 boasts a stunning 5.3K resolution and an extensive accessory bundle, making it a powerful choice for content creators. On the other hand, the DJI Osmo Action 4 shines with its exceptional low-light performance, innovative magnetic mounting system, and impressive waterproof capabilities. Join us as we break down the key features, pros, and cons of each camera to help you make an informed decision for your next adventure. The GoPro HERO13 Black offers an impressive maximum video resolution of 5.3K at 60 frames per second, providing exceptional detail and clarity for your action shots. In contrast, the DJI Osmo Action 4 caps at 4K resolution, which, while still high quality, does not match the HERO13's capabilities. This difference in resolution could be crucial for creators who prioritize image quality and flexibility in post-production. When it comes to low-light performance, the DJI Osmo Action 4 takes the lead with its large 1/1.3-inch sensor, which excels in dim conditions, delivering clean and professional footage even in challenging lighting. The GoPro HERO13, while capable, does not match the low-light capabilities of the Osmo Action 4, making it less ideal for nighttime or indoor filming. The DJI Osmo Action 4 also outshines the GoPro HERO13 in terms of waterproofing, with a native waterproof rating of 59 feet, compared to the HERO13's 33 feet. This makes the Osmo Action 4 a better choice for water sports enthusiasts and underwater filming, providing peace of mind without the need for additional housing. In conclusion, both the GoPro HERO13 Black Accessory Bundle and the DJI Osmo Action 4 have their strengths and cater to different needs. The HERO13 is perfect for those who demand the highest resolution and a comprehensive accessory package, while the Osmo Action 4 excels in low light and underwater capabilities at a more affordable price. We hope this comparison helps you choose the right action camera for your adventures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.